Are you or your spouse looking for a great career in the HVAC industry, but you don't want to be working every weekend or come home late at night all the time? At Climate Masters, we've been in business for over 50 years, and we understand the need for a balance between family and work. At Climate Masters, we have 3 different opportunities for a team member. We have an installation department where you can count on never working on the weekend, and even in the slow months of the winter, we're going to provide 40 hours of work for you. We have an on-demand service division where rather than being on call every other weekend, you're going to be in a 5-week rotation, and you're not going to be on call to catch calls for everybody that can dial Climate Masters phone numbers. That is, we only service after-hours customers that are our maintenance agreement customers. So that gives you more opportunity to be at home with your family and not have to work every weekend. And then for the entry-level employee, we have a maintenance division that we go out twice a year and do maintenance. Provides a great opportunity to begin to learn refrigeration and electrical skills. In addition to a great work environment, at Climate Masters we have great benefits as well. We have Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance for the employee. We have a life insurance policy. We have a cancer insurance policy. Vision and dental are available at Climate Masters. We have uniforms that we provide, and for that on-call service technician, you're going to be provided a van to drive back and forth to your home on a daily basis. If you or a loved one would like to become a team member at Climate Masters, click the link that's provided or share this video with someone that you know. I'm Richard Morrison with Climate Masters Heating and Air Conditioning, where the quality of our work forecasts our future.